Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your uh, eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just click here on notifications, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you click here on investing, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to interest payment notice, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean interest payment notice notification enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.